Open PassFab for Excel. Click on Recover Excel Open Password. Click on Add button to import password protected Excel workbook. And select one of password recovery modes to recover Excel Open Password. After these settings, you are going to get password back smarter and quicker. Please be patient. In a few minutes, the correct password will be displayed in a pop-up window. Click on Remove Excel Restriction Password. Click on Please import Excel file or move your Excel file to the Add box. Hit Remove to start removing the password. Wait for a few seconds and your restriction password will be removed. Click on Open Folder option and you will see the new file named after the beginning of text. It's the same file, but have no restriction password anymore.